Okay, everyone. So we are learning the program to use recursion in finding the factorial of a number. Okay. So first of all, we have made this as a comment. Now we are saying hash include conio.h, that is console input output header file for clear screen and getch functions. Then hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file for printf and scanf functions. Now program will come here on the main. It will come inside and saying int num. So one variable num is declared. Then clear screen. So screen is cleared now. Printf enter number. So message on the user screen that enter number and the number is 4. So user has entered the number as 4. So scanf %d for the integer value and that is the address of number. So at the address of number we are saying 4. Now we are going to find out the factorial, and we know that if I find the factorial of 4, that is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and we know that the multiplication of 4, 3, 2, 1 is 24. So 24 should be the answer, but we have to take out this answer with the help of the recursion. Recursion means function calling itself. Now we are saying printf factorial %d. Now factorial is printed, and after that program will see fact num. So by saying fact num, it will directly jump to the function fact. Now there is num. We know that this num is the argument and the argument is having value 4. So this value 4 is given to int n, that is 4. So the first time when the function is called, then we are having fact 4. So fact 4 is called first. Now it is coming inside. If n equal to 0, then return 1. This is the terminating condition. That means whenever we find n as 0, so answer should be 1, means 1 should be returned. So whenever n is 0, it will return 1. This is the terminating condition. But now we have the value of n as 4, so it is coming, it will not execute this part, it will come to the else part, and in the else part it is saying return n into factorial of n minus 1. So what is going on? Inside fact 4, we are having n into means 4 into fact of n minus 1. So it is again calling the factorial of 3. So this one is calling again the factorial, and this time the value is 3. Again it will come down and checking, is n equal to 3? No. So this part will not run, else part will run. Again it is saying return n into. So here inside the factorial 3, what is n? It is 3 into factorial of n minus 1. It is again calling the factorial, that is 2. So it is again calling the factorial function, but this time the value of n is 2. It is coming inside and checking, is n 0? No, n is 2. True part will not run, else part will run. It is saying return n into. So the value of n right now is 2 into fact of n minus 1. So here it is saying factorial of 2 minus 1 is 1. Again calling the factorial, and the value of n this time is 1. Coming down, if n equal to 0 but n is 1 right now, this part will not run, else part will run. And here we are saying return n into. N into means 1 into factorial of n minus 1. So again calling the factorial, and here n1 minus 1 is 0. So it is again going back and calling the factorial. Now this time we have passed the value as 0. Coming down, if n equal to 0, if 0 equal to 0 true, so this part will run, program will come inside, return 1. So 1 is returned back. Now this time we are not calling the factorial, we are returning the 1. So 1 is returned back here. So from where the result of this fact 0 is 1. Now we know that once we call the fact 4, in that case it was there inside that. Once we called fact 3, it was inside that. Then we have called fact 2, then this was inside that. Then we called fact 1, so this was inside that. And then we called fact 0 and 1 is returned. So now it is coming back. So it is saying 1 into, coming back, 2 into, coming back, 3 into, again coming back, 4, and there it will return the value. And what is the value? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. So this 24 value, after solving all the recursion, it will come here, and this value will come back from where it was called, and this value will be there. So this whole answer will be 24, and this 24 will be given to percentage %d. So 24 is printed, and getch will hold the screen and program will come out afterward. So that is the program of recursion and finding the factorial.